Hello, welcome back to Rob's Homemade. We are back for part 2 of our abandoned railway tunnel. It was about here when I left it last time. We're going to go to the other end this time and see if we can get. It is an amazingly eerie place. Get out the other end. A bit of fencing across it by the looks of it. But it's a proper eerie place to be in. You can imagine the amount of freight trains and things that went through this tunnel over the years. It's a bit of a walk from one end to the other. I don't know how long the walk actually is. I'm trying to do it as quickly as possible. Get out the other end, because I've got, from what I've seen before, there is a station, I think, or a platform on the other side of this tunnel. Hopefully, once we finish this walk, we can explore that. And then the only issue is, like I've said before, I'm going to have to do the walk back to go home, or I can do it twice as quick. I'm not recording. If you look behind, it's now nearly pitch black. I did see a couple of people while I was waiting to come through, heading through. I don't know if they're doing the same as me, or just wanted to explore a bit as well. They have actually put some more fencing up at the entrance, which says danger, no entry. Well, obviously that's not going to stop me at all. Just, it is a hell of a long walk, this is, to be fair. But to see how the things used to run, like junk. It looks close from the eye, but it's not. It is a bit of a trek away. But we're going to make it to the other end and see where we end up after this tunnel. I'm not sure. I'm heading towards Netherton, I think. Apparently somebody told me it was fenced up the other end. But it doesn't look fenced off, and if it is, to get the climbing boots on why. So, like I said, it is eerie down here. We have had some rain today as well, so the actual water is dripping through. Nice little shopping trolley there. Don't know where it's from. Tesco one because it's blue. Got to keep an eye on my footing though. You don't know what's ahead. I hope you enjoy these explore videos. I love doing them. I love finding new places. That abandoned school and the Metro bar was the best two so far. They were amazing to get into. This is freaky as fuck, but good at the same time. Oh, man. It took me 10 minutes to get halfway last time. I'm at 4 minutes already. Look at the state of this. All the mould and dew. Can you hear the water dripping? There's also like tractor tracks which weren't there last time I was here, heading towards the tunnel. So I don't know if they're actually doing any work or anything after this tunnel, or in the tunnel, or whatever. But we're going to have to look into that to see if we can work out if they're going to reopen this or do what with it. But you never know. Because there is talk about Brierley Hill, Dudley, sort of mid-tram sort of thing running service, which I'm sure if it did, then it could run through this tunnel. The tracks are pretty much here, they just need reworking. Here, see the water. It's proper eerie. You guys enjoy this. This is why we have to watch our footing. So we'll go around a little bit. It's one place we definitely don't want to be falling down. It is complete darkness that way. I just hope this torch lasts. Here's another one. It's been lifted. Full of shit basically. So I'm getting close and I can see it. You can't really see it on camera. I can see a building, but it is fenced off across. So I'm going to have to try and find a way getting over that fencing. We'll see what we can do, otherwise we might just have to head back, work out another way of getting around this tunnel. Another one open, careful. Yeah, it's completely fenced off across. These are in proper disarray now as you're coming towards this end. Bless them, they might be working on fixing those. Who knows? Here's another one. It's completely smashed to pieces. Be so careful in places like this. But the next one is fine. Nearly there, look. Another couple of minutes, I think. I just hope I can find a way around that fencing to give you guys a look at that building on the other side. This tunnel, it's going to take me at least a good 20 minutes, I think, to get from one end to the other. Another one. I'm just completely trashed and smashed. Oh, something just dropped in there. Hope it wasn't anything of mine. What we can see, the light at the end of the tunnel. I can see better than you guys can. But there's definitely fenced across. So we'll have to see what we can do. When we get to the other end, there must be a way over it. So, we're nearly at the end of our abandoned tunnel. Like I said, there's a couple of people before me who walked through and they haven't come back. Oh, I lied. It's not building, it's a bridge. Not like a building from way back there. Just trying to be extra careful with these. There's some sort of piping running along. I want to turn the torch off now. See, got bright light, big cities. Let's put the torch back on. Pieces of concrete, strange. cars everywhere. But yeah, man, you'll see as I get closer, because the glare of the sun is blocking you seeing the fencing. What I can see. That's a trek and a half. That's like 20 minutes from one end to the other. In fact, it is fenced off, but the fence isn't even closed. So plenty of raining. Look back. Like I say, it's a 20-minute walk from one end to the other. More graffiti. We won't go down that road. So here we are, the end of our abandoned tunnel. Danger, no entry. Well, unfortunately, guys, whoever put these fences and signs up, it's going to have to be an entry, because I need to go that way to get back home. So that was me, Rob, on the second part of our abandoned tunnel, and we are going to continue on the next video, the abandoned railway, to see where that leads. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this second part of the abandoned tunnel, which took my breath away, to be fair. 10 minutes first time, 10 minutes, it's going to be a good 20-minute trek on the way home. So thank you very much for watching. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will be back very, very soon to see what is down here. Peace.